Hello class for students, welcome to you in English class. Today we will discuss the exercise. I have already taught you the lesson what should Ria do. Okay, all of you will leave the page number 34. है सबैजनाले पेज नम्बर 34 मा हेर्नुहोस्. This lesson I have already taught you. If you have any questions, please you can consult me. First of all, now match the sentence in column A with the in column B. Okay? We should match. She had to stand up for herself. Someone had stood up to him. She stuck her hands out. He put out his hand. Column B also. She extended her hand. He was challenged. He extended his hand. She had to defend herself. Okay, we should match. First of all, look the book and listen here. She had to stand up for herself. She had to defend herself. She had to defend herself. Okay. Number next. She had stood up to him. He was challenged. He was challenged. Next. She stuck her hand out. She extended her hand. She extended her hand. She extended her hand. Last. He put out his hand. He extended his hand. He extended his hand. Okay. Number 3. Make your own sentence using the following phrasal verb. Okay. You can try to do it, but listen. First of all, listen to me. After listening, you can make the sentence yourselves. Yeah. Stand up for oneself. Okay. Stand up for oneself. Yes. We should stand up for ourselves. We should stand up for ourselves. OURSELVES. Okay. Second, stick out. Okay. Make the sentence. Paul's ears stick out a little. Paul's ears stick out a little. Next, put out a hand. I put out my hand, but she refused to shake it. Listen it again. I put out my hand, but she refused to shake it. Okay. Listen this and you can make the sentence yourselves using this phrase. Comprehension. Answer the questions. Okay. Please, you can leave the comprehension answer the questions. Okay. I have already taught you the lesson. Now we should do the question answer. Yeah. Okay. Question number A. What did Jit tell Ria? Okay. You can copy the question. What did Jit tell Ria? The answer is G told Ria that she was a teacher's pet. Teachers, you can use apostrophe S. Yes. G told Ria that she was a teacher's pet. Question number B. Why was Ria upset? Ria was upset because what Jit said was not true. Ria was upset because what Jit said was not true. Okay. जुन जितले भनेको सही थिएन त्यसकारण अपसेट भएन. लिसन इट अगेन. रिया वाज अपसेट बिकज what Jit said okay was not true. Then question number C. Okay, question number C. According to Jit, why did Ria score 100 in the science test? According to Jit, Ria scored 100 on the science test because she was nice to Mrs. Nila. Listen it again. According to Jit, Ria scored 100 on the scientist because she was nice to Mrs. Nila. She was nice to Mrs. Nila. Yes. Question number D. According to Ria, why did she score 100 in the science test? The answer, according to her, she scored 100 on the science test because she had done it well, because she had studied hard. Because she had studied hard. Listen it again. According to her, she scored 100 on the science test because she had done it well, because she had studied hard. She had studied hard. Okay, use to because. Listen it again. According to her, she scored 100 on the science test because she had done it well, because she had studied hard. Okay, number E. How did Susan comfort Ria? Susan comforted Ria by saying that she deserved, DACRBD, deserved the grades and that Jit always try to make troubles. Okay, listen it again. Susan comforted Ria by saying that she deserved, DACRBD, the grades and that Jit always try to make trouble. Listen again. Susan comforted Ria by saying that she deserved the grades and that Jit always tries to make trouble. Okay, you should write with correct spelling. Yes. Number F. What were other kids doing during the recess? The other kids were playing kickball during the recess. The other kids were playing kickball during the recess. Yes, number G. How did Ria stand up for herself? Ria stood up for herself, crossing Jeet and telling the truth. Ria stood up for herself, crossing Jeet and telling the truth. Ria stood up for herself, crossing Jeet and telling the truth. Okay, this is all finished. You can look the page number 35. Reflect and answer. This is long. Okay, reflect and answer. How does Ria's courage affect Jit? Ria's courage works as a wake up call to Jit, who had built many kids in Mrs. Neil's class for one reason. Okay, this is the answer. Listen it again. Ria's courage works as a wake up call to Jit, who had built many kids in Mrs. Nila's NWLAS class for one reason. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Number B. Do you think Ria did the right thing at the end by shaking hands with Jit? Yes, she did the right things to keep the relation intact. Yes, she did the right things to keep the relation intact. Okay, intact. Okay, if you need to write this, reflect and answer, you can write, otherwise you don't, it is not necessary to write it है. यदि तपाईँले नम्बर 2 को रिफ्लेक्स एन्ड आन्सर यदि लेख्ने मलाई लेख्नुहोस्, नत्र यो खासै आवश्यक छैन. नम्बर सी एन्ड डी यु डु योर सेल्स, तपाईँको भिजन यो लेख्ने हो है. ओके, यदि आवश्यक ठान्नुहुन्छ भने लेख्नु होला, नत्र यो नम्बर 2 को त्यति आवश्यक छैन. ओके, अल अफ यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड अर नट? देन लिसनिङ हियर वी डोन्ट डु नाउ है, हामीले यो गर्दैन. अब हजुरहरूले हेर्नुहोस् पेज नम्बर 36. All of you turn the page 36. 36 speaking. Yes, here is the dialogue. Speaking. All of you turn the page number 36. Speaking. Read the conversations below and act it out. Yes. Ria, stop trying to bully me, Jeet. Yes. Jeet, I am not trying to bully you. Everyone knows that you are a teacher's pet. Yeah, Ria. That's not true at all. You are just spreading rumors because I got 100 on the science test. Jit, sure, Ria, you got 100 only because you are nice to the science teacher. है यहाँ जितले के ब्लेम गर्यो भने साइन्स टिचरको तपाईँ नजिक हुनुहुन्छ त्यस कारणले 100 लिनु हो भने तर रियाले मैले पढेर लिएको हुँ ओके आई वर्क हार्ड आई रिड एन्ड आई गट द 100 मार्क्स इन साइन्स है उनले भनिन् म पढेर लिएको हुँ म कुनै पनि टिचरको नजिक भएर होइन कुनै पनि टिचरले ओके द टिचर क्यान नट बी डिस्क्रिमिनेसन अफ द स्टुडेन्ट्स है कसैलाई चाहिँ मुख हेरेर गएर मार्क्स दिने भन्ने कुरो हुँदैन है यो कुरो याद गर्नुहोस् ओके रिया जित आई डोन्ट केयर वाट यु से ओके I did well on the test because I studied hard. Go ahead and make fun of me. If you want, I don't care. है तिमी जे भन्न म पढेर लिएको हुँ तिमी मलाई हाँसोमा उडाऊ अथवा मलाई खिसी गर आई डोन्ट केयर इट ओके हु टोल्ड इट रिया जित कम अन रिया डोन्ट गेट एङ्ग्री आई वाज जस्ट किडिङ ओके रिया Jit, you should know better than to make fun of anyone. Okay, this is the conversation about Jit and Riyaz. Okay, I have already taught you in this lesson. Riya worked hard, then she got 100 marks in science subject, but Jit blamed her. Okay, you are the teacher's pet. Teachers gave the good marks to you. तपाईँ टिचरको नजिक हुनुहुन्छ त्यस कारण त्यसरी दिएको भन्ने कुरा उनले यसरी ब्लेम लगाएको छन् है दिस इज कल द बुल्ली है यसलाई बुलिङ भन्न भनिन्छ है हामीले पढिसक्यो ओके अल अफ यु टर्न द पेज नम्बर 37 ओके ग्रामर बिकज सो because and so we can they are conjunctions are words which are used to join two words and two sentences and make one hey they are conjunction भनेको दुईवटा सेन्टेन्स दुईवटा वर्ड अनि दुईवटा सेन्टेन्स जोडेर एउटा बनाइयो ओके because and so we can use because and so we use because to express a reason because के को लागि प्रयोग गरिन्छ नि express a reason but we use so to express a रिजल्ट है सोले रिजल्टलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्छ भने बिकजले कसलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्छ रिजनलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्छ रिमेम्बर इट बिकज एक्सप्रेस अ रिजन है रिजनलाई यसले फोकस गर्छ एक्सप्रेस गर्छ भने सोले रिजल्टलाई फोकस गर्छ फर्स्ट वी शुड रिड एन्ड फाइन्ड आउट इट रिड एन्ड लर्न Riya scored the highest because she studied a lot. Okay, Riya scored the highest. This is the result. Reason she studied a lot. Okay. Then I didn't go to the class because I was sick. Yeah. I didn't go to the class. Result because I was sick. This is the reason. Okay. Because express a reason. I because कसलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्छ रिजनलाई सी गॉड प्रेजेन्ट्स बिकज इट वाज हर बर्थडे रिजल्ट सी गॉट प्रेजेन्ट बिकज इट ओके सी गॉट प्रेजेन्ट दिस इज रिजल्ट बिकज इट वाज हर बर्थडे रिजन ओके रिया स्टडीड अ लट सो सी स्कोर द हाइएस्ट ओके जस्ट अपोजिट हेर्नु त यहाँ रिजन Riya studied a lot. This is reason. Result. So she scored the highest. सो एक्सप्रेस अ रिजल्ट, सोले कसलाई एक्सप्रेस गर्छ, रिजल्टलाई भने बिकजले एक्सप्रेस कसलाई गर्छ, रिजनलाई। अपोजिट है यो, याद गर्नुहोस् ल। आई वाज सिक सो आई डिडन्ट गो टु द क्लास, आई वाज सिक दिस इज रिजन, सो I didn't go to the class. This is result. It was her birthday, so she got the present. Result is it was her birthday. This is reason. The result is so she got the present. Okay, this is result. We use because to express a reason. We use so to express a result. Okay, I hope my dear students you should understand where we use because and where we use so. Okay, because is used to express a reason. कारणको अगाडि हामीले के लगाउने, because है, but so is used to express a result. रिजल्टको परिणामको अगाडि फेरि के को प्रयोग गर्ने, so. रिजल्टको अगाडि के प्रयोग गर्ने, रिजल्टले के एक्सप्रेस गर्छ, सरी सोले के एक्सप्रेस गर्छ, रिजल्ट, बिकजले एक्सप्रेस गर्छ, रिजन। ओके, आई होप माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स okay will understand where we use because and so. Please turn the page. Fill in the blanks with because or so. Okay, this is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with because or so. Okay, it was cold, I saw the window. Okay, it was cold, I saw the window. So express a result, right? But because express reason, and then it was cold, so I saw the window. So I saw the window. Okay, number B. The door was open, that I closed it. The door was open, so I closed it. So you can use so. A also so, B also so. Number C. She doesn't like him, that he isn't honest. She doesn't like him because he isn't honest. Because he isn't honest. You can use because here. Number D. It was raining, that I took a taxi. It was raining, so I took a taxi. Use so. Number E. The water wasn't clean. The water wasn't clean, so we didn't swim. So we didn't swim. Use so. Number F. We didn't swim because the water wasn't clean. Because the water wasn't clean. Use because. Number G. I'll be home late tonight because I have to work late. Because I have to work late. Okay, because G also. Number H. I am tired today, so I couldn't sleep last night. So I couldn't sleep last night. Okay. Number I. We walked home because there were no more buses. We walked home because there were no more buses. Okay, you can use because. Number J. I closed the window because it was cold. I closed the window because it was cold. Okay, this is this exercise. Okay, you can complete this exercise. Okay, open the book, page number 39. Turn the page number 39. Match the following. In match the following. Okay, you can write I, and you can use so, then down. I am going to bed, just like this. Okay, listen to me. I am tired, so I am going to bed. Yes, do you understand or not? Look here. I am tired, so I am going to bed. Yes, I am tired, so I am going to bed. Number 2. We lost the match because the other team had better players. Okay, we lost the match because The other team had better players. Okay, number 3. My sister is a bit fat because she loves eating chocolates. Because she loves eating chocolates. Number 4. That restaurant is very expensive. So we will go somewhere else. We will go somewhere else. Next, you should stop smoking because you have a terrible cough. Because you have a terrible cough. Okay. Number 6. I don't get the job I wanted. So, so uh, we cannot afford the new TV. We cannot afford the new TV. Listen it again. I didn't get the job I wanted, so we cannot afford the new TV. Okay. Next, 7 number. There is nothing on television tonight, so let's rent a DVD to watch. Let's rent a DVD to watch. Let's rent. Let's rent a DVD to watch. Next, okay. I didn't see mom this morning because she had to leave so early. She had to leave so early. Next, please. I heard this music, so I heard this music, so let's listen to something else. Let's listen to something else. Okay, next. My favorite color is yellow, so I will wear this dress a lot. I will wear this dress a lot. Last, last number. I am 180 cm tall, I, so I sometimes hit my head on low doors. I sometimes hit my head on low doors. Okay, please students, in the math the following. First all you should write I am tired, so अनि डाउनको फर्स्ट आई एम गोइङ टु बेड यसरी लेख्नु होला आजले बुझ्नु होइन है यसमा कुनै केही गर्नु पर्दैन सिधै माथि लेख्नुहोस् त्यसपछि कन्जक्सन राख्नुहोस् अनि नम्बर 1 को राख्नुहोस् नम्बर 2 को लेख्नुहोस् फेरि डाउनको नम्बर 2 को लेख्नुहोस् यसरी गर्नु होला ओके नाउ टुडे I stop this class. Later, I will teach you the next lesson. Okay. If you have any question, please you can consult to me. Okay. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Bye. See you again.